Go.
All right, so we're here today at Gulf Star Marina. We've completed the demolition process. The building is gone. Everything's been leveled out. And today, the auger cast company, H&J Foundation out of Miami, will try to begin doing auger cast piles. On site, we have pre-tied rebar cases that will go down into the auger cast holes after they're built. And right now, they're working on setting up the equipment, including a 100-foot auger and pumping attachments. The way this works basically, they have an auger drill. They'll run that down to the required depth at the rear of the truck, of the crane. We have a pump. It will pump grout through these hoses connected to it and down through the center of the auger. Right over here. We've got the auger piled up and ready for action. As you can see, a hollow shaft down the middle. That's how they get filled with grout. As they withdraw the auger, they replace the spoils with grout, keeping a flowable head as they come. Right now our crew is on site, bringing up a 2-inch water service for their operations. And we hope to get going later on today.